So if you're ready to get started, you're going to simply get the link of the individual that invited you onto this call. And you're going to see a page like this when they send you the link. All you need to do is put in your email address, last name, first name, date of birth. Date of birth needs to go day/month/year. And then you're going to put in your gender, your mobile phone number, your country of origin, and then you're going to put in a password, confirm a password. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to select send code. When you say send code, that is going to be emailed to you. So check your email and then come back, put that code here, and then you're going to put a check mark. I will tell you, sometimes it's a little glitchy with that code, so you might have to get it sent twice, but just be patient. It will happen. And then just put sign up. The next page you're going to go to is you're going to be on the inside. Once you log in, you're going to have to do a really quick KYC, which is simply completing your information and uploading your driver's license front and back and submitted that. Once you've done that, this is how you would fund your account. You simply are going to go down to transactions and then to funding, and then you're going to select either TRC20 or BTC. And then the wallet address will be here. So all you have to do is send the money there to that wallet address and you'll have your account, get your account funded. When your account is funded, when the funds arrive, they're going to arrive in your blue wallet, which is your USDT wallet. You always want to get the money from your blue wallet into your trading wallet where it's making money for you. So how you do that the very first time, you need to subscribe. You're going to subscribe to the Genius Bot by going up to subscription, and you're going to go down to the Genius Bot and you're going to hit subscribe. Once you hit subscribe, you're going to go ahead and whatever amount you had here in your blue wallet, you want to take out $99.90, and you're going to put difference. Once you subscribe, you're going to put the difference here in this bot. So in this case, it was $105.10. Yes, guys, you want to put the full amount in there. And then you're going to go down here and you're going to hit download the letter of authorization. It's going to pop up in a different screen and it's a time thing. So you got to make sure you go down and you read that you give them authorization to trade your $105.10 or $1,000 or $5,000, whatever amount you have there. And then you're going to come back here and you're going to put a check mark here and you're going to say confirm. And guys, this is another place that it might take you a couple of times of doing that, but just stay patient and you're going to do that. And then guess what's going to happen? You have successfully subscribed to the bot. Your money is going to be, let me make sure I get the call cleared. Your money will now be out in the market trading for you when it's in the green wallet. That's very, very simple. That's as easy as it gets. Okay, so guys, that's what I'm going to share with you on that part. Let me go ahead and stop that recording there.